So to save a new product, we first of all have to go to products, to our products class, where we manage our list of products. And there we have an add product method, which right now doesn't do anything. Now my expectation here is that I get a product, the product which should be added, which is missing an ID though. Now later we'll send that product to a server and generate the ID on the server. For the moment, I'll create a dummy ID here. For that, I'll create a new product, which, since I can't edit the properties of product, is a new product object. And there I take all my product data for the title, for example, which I got here on the product I received as an argument. So do that for the title, for the description, and for the image URL. Whoops, price and image URL. And of course, now set the ID to date time, now to string, to have this kind of unique ID for now until we have a better one. And with that new product created, we can add it to our items. So here I'll call items and add my new product. Alternatively, you could also use items insert 0 and then your new product to add it at the beginning of the list. But I'm fine with the end, so I will go with add. And then, of course, notify listeners to let the app know that you added a new product. So now we can call add product in our products provider or in that provided object. And therefore, back in the added product screen, in save form, instead of printing all this stuff here, the goal is to now call that add product method. Now, for this, we can use provider of products, and for this, of course, we need to make sure that we import the products class here from the providers folder and there from the product start file. So this import needs to be added. And then here we can call provider of products and forward the context. Context, just like widget, is available everywhere in your state object, if you remember. So we have that context of the attached widget available. And for provider to be available, we of course need to import the provider package, and there simply provider.dart. So with that, we get access to our provider. Now I will set listen to false here because here I'm not interested in changes to my products. I just want to dispatch an action. I want to call add product and there forward my edited product, which contains all that data we're gathering, right? Edited product is that property we're managing or we're initializing here, which we're then updating when we call save on the form with all these on saved methods here or events here on all the inputs. So with that, we can call add product and forward the edited product. And then let's say I also want to leave this page, so I can use navigator of context pop. And this will go back to the previous page, which shows us all products. If you add this logic and you go back to your app, we can test this. Add a new product here. This is a test. And here simply enter a URL. Hit enter, this worked, and here's our new item at the bottom of the list. So adding products like this works. Let's now make sure we can also edit them.